Last summer, our family went for an adventurous Kawasan Canyoneering in Cebu, Philippines.
Motorcycle to the briefing. Amon mga upod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dapat ay zipline na doon.
From the motorcycle drop-off where the briefing is, there are two options to go to the trailhead of the canyon. One is to walk for about 30 minutes or to take the zip line for about 600 pesos. Malalim yung binababaan. We are ready!
Ano yung green tea?
Look! Jump off point. Ready na tayo, let's go! After several crazy jumps, we were able to tone down our adrenaline and just relax, appreciating these magnificent natural wonders of nature. And we got into this perfect trap. Actually, a good trap. Everyone is tired and hungry, and this is the perfect time for very hot barbecue.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kaya?
At kami nagigiyaan lang manghulam naman siya noon.
Huwag kang magdalawang isip, huwag kang magtagal. Lalo kang kabahan. Dire-diretso lang, huwag kang huminto dito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ito, gidala na. Manghulam naman rin noon. Okay na? No.
May stairs pala dito. You finish a trip with all smiles, hungry bellies, and high in spirits. Such a wonderful time with family. If you're planning a trip to Cebu or you're local in the Philippines or in Cebu, healthy and no mobility issues, and even with a seed of adventurous spirit, this trip is for you. We were amazed on how this place is made accessible for this kind of adventure. The water is clean, pristine, and turquoise green. Can't beat the value of Kawasan Canyoneering can bring to you. Crazy adventure, the fun, the excitement, the nature. The care of the guides, it's amazing total experience. Time to eat. Hawak kamay.
Kita. Chicken. This one is mine. Oh, ang